Wow, go Joe. Keep going, we've got to get through. I'm doing recordings. Put a four-wheel drive and diff lock, that's it.
Yeah, I've got
Oh, it's four-wheel drive, you got your snorkels.
I'm on low range.
That's it.
It's gonna get wet, eh? What's going on?
I'll reach you out if you get stuck, or Rob will get you from there.
You see the fucking water take you?
One of us will get stuck. Aim this way, aim that way, and you end up out there. Are you joking? Look at that. Wow.
That's sick,
Hey, did you see that?
Could you send